Web design is evolving faster than ever, and 2026 is all about creating smarter, faster, and more engaging user experiences. In this video, we'll look at the top web design trends that are shaping the future of the web. Trend 1: AI-powered personalization. Websites are using AI to deliver personalized content, product recommendations, and user experiences based on visitor behavior, making every visit more relevant. Trend 2: minimal and mobile-first design. Clean layouts, bold typography, fast-loading pages, and mobile-first design continue to dominate, ensuring users enjoy a seamless experience on every device. Trend 3: interactive experiences. Scroll animations, micro-interactions, and subtle 3D elements are making websites more engaging while keeping navigation smooth and intuitive. Trend 4: accessibility and performance. Modern websites prioritize accessibility, fast loading speeds, and user-friendly navigation to improve both customer satisfaction and search engine rankings. The future of web design is about combining creativity with functionality to deliver exceptional user experiences. Which trend do you think will have the biggest impact in 2026? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more web design and digital marketing tips.